CNN Donald Trump's federal judge, who chaired election destruction case at Washington, D.C., refused to refuse charges against the former president, saying that after 2020 elections, did not benefit from absolute immunity for what he said and what did. U.S. Regional Judge Tanya Chutkan, Court, the former presidents of our Constitution, the federal crimes they committed when they have been subjected to absolute immunity. He said, "This is an issue that needs to be decided by the courts of appeal on Chutkan before Trump's penalty hearing for March." A appeal court said on Friday. Trump said that the civil trials on January 6, 2021, said, "Whatever president of seating, the U.S. has only one chief manager at a time, and this position does not give transition to leaving prison for life, federal investigation, indictment, prosecution, conviction and punishment may be subject to punishment." Chutkan wrote, "Authorized Trump's 4-year service as chief commander Kings does not give the divine right to avoid criminal accountability that manages his citizens." Quote, however, Chutkan rejected this claim by writing the founding generation of the United States designed a completely different chief administrator from Kadir executives that could not be calculated by other nations at time. Instead, Judge wrote that possibility of future criminal responsibility should çıktı encourage sober reflection that will strengthen important constitutional values instead of overcoming important constitutional values. If encourages the ghost of the next prosecution before deciding to act with criminal intention. He added, "Every president will face difficult decisions. Should not have committed a federal crime." The lawyers of former president also raised that a president could only be accused if he was convicted by the Senate during objection. He also wrote Trump's indictment claimed that he had violated the First Amendment rights. Because the first change was well established, he did not protect the speech used as a means of a crime. The judge said that challenges president of residence against a former president were very different and in his opinion that executive arm is much less interventionist in functions executive branch is a problematic finding for Trump.